Hi everyone. So today we will understand total asset to debt ratios. Okay, total asset to debt ratio. Okay, so this ratio is basically reciprocal wo- reciprocal of which ratio? Debt to equity, debt to capital employed ratios. Okay, capital employed ratio. So what is the formula to calculate this ratio? Formula to calculate total asset to debt ratio is total asset divided by debt ratios. So here debt means in most of the ratios, whenever you calculate accounting ratio, debt means long term debt. Okay, whenever you are calculating debt means long term. Okay, and what is this total asset? Total asset is basically depends. What do you mean by total asset? So sometimes people say that okay, total asset is total of asset side, that is current liability, current asset plus non-current asset. But whenever you calculate ratios, so that time asset, wherever it is coming, that asset or net asset, it means capital employed. Okay, so capital employed is basically total asset minus current liabilities. So whenever you calculate this capital employed, so this is the formula. But priority we will give if it is mentioned for this particular specific formula, then total asset we will consider only this much, asset plus non-current asset. Okay, so the more of the ratio, more will be security. So that the long term debt provider will think that okay, what is the finance by, what is the total asset financed by their outside employment. Suppose in a balance sheet total is 100 while long term loan is 20, so it means ratio is coming 5, which means what is the meaning of this 5? It means in the balance sheet or in the businesses, we 5 time whatever loan is there, asset side is more than 5 times. So it means this business is securely, if this is coming 10, suppose 200, then it is coming 10, which means it is more secure. But if it is loan is 30, balance sheet total is 30 and loan is 20, which means mostly the business is running from the outside fund only. Okay, which means this business is not very much safe. So from safety perspective, lender calculate this total asset to debt ratio, and they wanted to know what is the ratio of total assets and their debts. What is the percentage of total asset, how much is the total asset, and how much is the debt. That is the simply relationship between this ratio. Hope you guys understand this thing. Thank you very much.